Does this look like a nightmare? Nested radicals and integrals usually scare students away, but I am going to show you a simple power rule trick that solves this in seconds. Let's find e of 27 minus e of 8. First, we can't integrate this easily until we fix the exponents. Remember, x is just x to the first power, and the cube root of x is x to the power of 1 over 3. When we multiply them, we add the exponents. So, our simplified problem now became the integral of 7x to the power of 4 over 3 dx. Much better, right? Now we use the power rule to integrate our problem. So 7x to the power of 4 over 3 becomes 3x to the power of 7 over 3. For the last step, we are going to solve for e of 27 minus e of 8. For 27, multiply 3 by 27 to the power of 7 over 3. That will be equal to 6,561. Now for 8, multiply 3 by 8 to the power of 7 over 3. That is equal to 384. Finally, subtract 6,561 minus 380. For this will be equal 6,177. That's it. Calculus isn't hard when you know the rules. Hit the like button if this helped you, and I will see you in the next one.